Hey everyone, my name is Ari Shah, and I just wanted to give you a quick update on our 5K challenge, the $5,000 my father gave to me to invest for him. I know we haven't given an update, but in all reality, we have only picked up one coin since 5 days ago. That is Harmony. We picked it up at 15 cents, 15.155, and then we bought another half of it at 0.1525. So we have $1,000 of Harmony right now. Other coins we're looking at is Orion. It's had a huge recline this week, over 24%, going all the way down at $17. Orion is an undervalued coin, so we're definitely looking at Orion. We're looking at Silo, which is a low cap gem sitting in the 700s. We haven't picked that up. The only one we've picked up thus far is Harmony. But there are a few more coins on our radar. We're looking at Cody. We're looking at Rose. We're looking at Audio. And we will pick up these coins depending on their current value and where we see they can go. Guys, let me know what you think about investing and taking your time and not. I don't try to recommend buying pumps. I try to recommend strong fundamental projects that take slight dips where you can buy dollar cost average and accumulate more of that coin. So I want you guys to do your due diligence because you're not going to get 100x out of the top 100 coins. You might get a 2x, you might get a 3x. That being said, if you want 100x, 1000x in 1 month, you have to go with higher risk, higher reward with these low cap gems during this alt season. So guys, what do you think of my first pick for my dad's first $1,000 out of the 5,000 into one Harmony? The CEO of Harmony is also the same guy who made Google Maps. So guys, let me know what you think of pick number one. So guys, without wasting any more of your time, we're going to get right into talking about Harmony, where it is and where it can go. Let me know what you think about the other coins we're thinking about: BPro, Veracity, Audio, and so many more. Share Token. There are so many coins in the ecosystem. You can shoot at the dark and still hit green during a bull run. That being said, you want to invest into projects that are fundamentally strong and have high potential. So as always, thank you for sharing your time with me. Nothing's more valuable than your time except your money. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So this is one Harmony, and it is ranked number 79. You can see that right now it is sitting at 0.154529. We had purchased Harmony at 0.155 and 0.1525 because we wanted to dollar cost average. So we picked up $500 twice. So we have $1,000 of Harmony. That money is sitting on Binance.us, and we are going to choose our other coins. But I just want to show you guys the graph of one Harmony, and it will do well this month of April. In fact, it's been doing very well. Just the last month, it had cracked the top 100, had got so close to 50, and now it had got all the way up to 21 cents, almost 22, and it got rejected back in March 29th. And it has reclined all the way down to 15 cents, having a huge backtrack after having a huge 304% gain in the last month. I believe Harmony is a good coin to keep even in the long term. If you guys are on CoinGecko, you can start and you can check out their white paper and their website. You'll be very impressed by where they are, where they've come, how much they've developed. The CEO is strong, their team is strong, scaling Ethereum applications and cross-chain finance, guys. Check it out. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Your money could go to zero at any time. I'm just another guy in his room trying to make as much money as he can. And, thank you for sharing your time with me. If you like this information, click that bell button so you are notified when this time sensitive information is released. I try to release 1 to 3 videos a day, and smash that like button so more people see videos like this, and comment below, what are your favorite coins to invest in for April 2021? And did I take too long to invest these coins? I've only invested 1 so far, so we have 4 more to go. Let me know if you have any opinions, and I love interacting with you guys. So see you next time with some more gems.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now.